what's happening, guys. Just in BeatTheTravelAgent at the moment. We're going to have a look at why you should visit a European music festival instead of a UK festival. Let's get stuck in. Number 10 on the reasons why to visit a European festival, especially BeatTheTravelAgent, has to be the views. You ever seen a festival with a background like that?
Number 9 reasons why to visit a European festival is the atmosphere. As you can tell behind us, kids from age 0 to 12 go free, and you can see people taking full advantage of this.
The 8th reason why you need to visit a European music festival is because of the late acts. Because it's quite warm during the day. The festival doesn't start till about 6 PM and goes right through the night till about 5, which means that during the day you've got time to go to the beach, chill out, enjoy it, and then you're not really in a rush. The 7th reason why a European festival is better than a UK is the camping or glamping experiences you can get, and with the heat it's just perfect to mix well for a festival. Number 6 on the reasons why to choose festivals like BeatTheTravelAgent and other European festivals is because of the VIP experiences. Probably the price of a normal Glastonbury ticket and other UK festivals, but you get to really chill out when the crowds get a bit tough, and obviously there's less drink queues and toilet queues.
5th reason why to visit a European festival has to be the price of food and drink inside. Food ranges from about €4 there to about 8. The drinks are usually tokens. You get for €3 it gets you one beer, a Desperado or something like that, so it is quite cheap compared to what you would get in the likes of Glastonbury.
The 4th reason why to visit a European festival like BeatTheTravelAgent has to be the ticket prices, starting from about €110 for early booking or €125 after. This includes 4 days of the festival and up to 8 days free camping. 3rd reason why to visit a European festival is, of course, the beach. Festival Day International BeatTheTravelAgent is right beside the beach, and it's one of the best ways to chill out during the day. It's almost more like a holiday than a festival. The 2nd reason why you should visit a European festival is because of the weather. Obviously in the UK there's a lot of festivals, but you need to bring your wellies, your coats, things like that. In Europe not so much. They're normally around the summertime, and you can really enjoy the festival in your shorts, or just enjoy picnics before or after.
The number 1 reason why you need to visit a European festival like Bibs is because of the lineup, ranging from 80s classics like Ketchup Boys, Madness, right up to now, artists like Gigs, Liam Gallagher, things like that, so the lineups are always the best thing.
That's our festival experience over. Hope your European festival goes as well as it could. Let us know where you go and if you find the same in other music festivals around Europe.